Transferring your credit card balance from Capital One is straightforward. Let's walk through the process. Search online, open your preferred browser and search for Balance Transfer Capital One using a search engine like Google. Access the website, look for the official Capital One Balance Transfer credit card website in the search results. Click on the link to access the site. Initiate the transfer once on the website. Locate the Get Started or similar button to begin the transfer process. Click on it to proceed. Fill out information. You'll be prompted to enter various details, including the amount you wish to transfer and your card details. Provide all the required information accurately. Review and confirm. Double-check the details you've entered, ensuring accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to create the transfer invoice. Complete the transfer. After creating the invoice, follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the transfer. Once completed, your credit card balance will be successfully transferred. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your credit card balance from Capital One. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.